Okay, so tonight we're going to use the documentation to set up a Lotus DevNet using Textile, and it looks like it should be fairly simple. Um, it's it basically simulates a real Lotus node and will let us experiment with it. So let's get started. Okay. I've already copied what I have to clone, so this should bring everything down. Alright, so here are the instructions. Let me make sure that you can see what you need to see here. Alright, let's make this smaller and put this over here. Whoop. I want to put this in. This one here, I want to move. So, very simple instructions. But let's see if it works. What? Alright. Well, I ended up closing it. Okay. Let's go to the one you're seeing. Alright. We'll do it here. Alright. So let's try that again. Alright, and I have to give it a parameter here and make. This is in Go, by the way, as you can probably tell, because it's Go build, and looks good. Go build -O. Let's let it get started. And if you notice, you can configure it in various ways. So it's doing what it needs to do. I don't know about you, but I had a pretty crazy week. I just got through replacing my car, which I had to do, and got a really nice deal on a nice car. And then I go to do my laundry, and the washer, which it has to be, it's been here since I've been here, over 20 years old, kind of looked at me and said, I'm done. So I had to find the one washer and dryer pair that they sell at that is available to be delivered quickly at the local Home Depot. In the meanwhile, I also found that there are in fact apps where you can have someone come and pick up your laundry and do it and return it. So, okay, what did it not like? Cannot find OpenCL. Okay. Let's see. What is it? At. Let's see if that. Oh. Install. Let's see. My guess is I do have to put something on here. I'm gonna have a look. I'm going to copy this symbolic link they suggest. So you're linking the OpenCL under userlib to, okay, let's try it again. Hopefully it'll work. And it's taking its time. So when it did it last time, it did a whole bunch of stuff. And right now, you know what? We're going to do it again. And 6 will do the make. And so now let's see if and make sure you're seeing what you should be. Yeah, you are. Alright, good. So now, let's see if this is going to work. Doesn't seem. So did we get an error or didn't we? Unknown. Okay. Let's try that build again. Doesn't give any error. I'm not sure what's going on here, to be honest with you. Illegal instruction? That's interesting. There must be some config. That's what it looks like. It doesn't like. Let's see if there's some. See what's in here. Okay. It looks like I'm going to try copying it directly. And seeing if that works. If not, we're going to have a look and see what's going on here. No. Doesn't like something here. DevNet. Starting with speed 100, num minus 1, big section. Let's see if we manually tell it. Well, it does not say that you have to pass it an instruction. Pass it a node. What it says here is, DevNet supports the following to allow the client to be, okay. Let's see if we run it. With Oh. So it's not setting. Okay, so this is something I have to look at, and we have to do some investigation, because it looks like that it is not configured correctly, or I may need you may have to set up a IPFS client. So we're going to look into it, but this is going to be one option that we can use for a test node. Another option that they talk about here is the Lotus Binary. This one may be a bit more reliable. I think the other one's supposed to make things easy. And let's see. Now the other option too, I am no expert at Docker, but what you can do is, okay, so apparently you can run this in Docker, and of course Docker's it's sort of its own little virtual environment, and you know, often that prevents issues because you know exactly the environment it's running in. So we're going to do a little bit more work on this, and I wanted to do it, well, live on tape, if you will, so we can see what happens. And if you found this helpful at all, please give a like, please subscribe, share, and ring the bell to get further notifications. My my little solidity report is live now, and if you're interested in why solidity is a language to learn now, then it's free. So anyway, I will speak to you next time.